I am Dharma Gurung. I am the owner of Tandoori Hut, which is located in West 26th Street. Originally, I'm from Bhutan. I came in Nepal as a refugee in 1992. And then we stayed there more than 20 years. And then I came again in America in 2011. So it's been 11 years. So when I first looked, there wasn't any Indian restaurant. And then this is by the former owner. It was back in 2012, and then he's trying to sell this business at the time. So I thought this is a good opportunity to take it at that time, because it is the only one Indian restaurant in town. So I really love to share our food to new community, introduce our new food to our community. It is tandoori chicken, which is specially cooked in tandoor, and then a naan bread, which you make in a tandoor too, and then chicken tikka masala, and then other one is butter chicken. We can say chicken makhni. Those are very popular. It is one of the most diversity city, having different cultures and traditions. So we want to share our food, our culture, and then we can learn also. So it's really important to have multicultural in our city. So we can learn each other, we can share each other, we can teach each other.